In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Monzo to Wise account 2025. Before we begin, make sure you have the Monzo app installed and logged in, and that your Wise account is set up with the correct receiving details for the currency you want to receive. Wise gives you local account details for several currencies, and using the right set of details helps your transfer arrive faster and with fewer fees. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. Give it a second to load your accounts and make sure you're on the main home screen. From here, tap Payments. This is where Monzo keeps all of your options for sending money, whether it's to a contact, a saved payee, or a bank account. Next, choose Bank Transfer. Monzo will ask who you're sending to. Since you're sending to your own Wise account, you'll be adding it like any other bank payee. If Monzo asks whether it's a UK or international transfer, pick the option that matches the Wise details you plan to use. For example, GBP details use sort code and account number, while EUR details use IBAN and BICE. Now add your Wise account details. Open your Wise app or web account and navigate to the account for the currency you want to receive. Copy the exact name on the account and the bank details provided. It's important that the name you enter in Monzo matches what Wise shows, as mismatches can cause delays or rejections. Double check every character in the sort code, account number, IBAN, or routing number before moving on. Back in Monzo, enter those details carefully. You can add a reference to help you recognize the transfer later. Choose something meaningful like Wise Top Up or your own name. If Monzo offers to save this payee, that's helpful for next time so you won't need to retype anything. Review everything and confirm the payment. Check the amount, the currency, and any fees shown by Monzo. If you're sending within the same currency using local details, the transfer is typically fast, often within minutes via faster payments in the UK. Approve the payment using your phone's security, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Finally, open your Wise app and check for the incoming transfer. Wise usually notifies you as soon as the money arrives, but it can take a little longer depending on the payment network and time of day. If it hasn't shown up after a reasonable period, verify the details you entered and look for any messages from Wise. A quick tip: if it's your first time, consider sending a small test amount, make sure it lands, and then repeat with the full amount. Matching the currency between Monzo and Wise can also help you avoid unnecessary conversion fees. And that's it! Your Monzo transfer to Wise is complete.